In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your new Guardian Angel Home Defender pepper spray system step by step. You'll need a power drill and Phillips head screwdriver, along with the drill bit that's supplied with your unit. This video walks you through exactly how to install your Home Defender unit, so it will work properly, protecting you and your family. Installation is easy. Let's get started. Step number 1. Determine the spot on the inside of the door where you plan to mount the unit. 17 inches from the top of the door, centered, is recommended. Place a piece of tape on the spot inside the door and mark the spot with a pencil where you will drill a hole using the 3/8 inches drill bit supplied. Step number 2. Before drilling the hole, make sure to hold the drill at a perfect angle, perpendicular to the door, to ensure the hole continues straight through to the front side of the door. Step number 3. Now that the hole is drilled, open the door of the unit and hold it up against the door. Then, mark where the 2 mounting holes will be drilled for the mounting screws. Step number 4. Using the 2 mounting screws provided, attach the unit to the door. Do not over-tighten screws. Step number 5. In order to test the unit, choose the black canister containing water. To test the spray, remove the cap from the canister and insert the tube into the canister. When inserting the tube, do not press the top of the unit, or spray will be discharged. Insert the round external hole cap into the hole from the outside of the door. Push the canister completely into the unit and close the door. Step number 6. Use the screw provided to lock the door of the unit, preventing access to the canister. The unit is now ready to test. Flip the top open and press the button to discharge spray. Step number 7. Remove the cap from the canister and insert the tube into the canister. When inserting the tube, do not press the top of the unit, or spray will be discharged. Unscrew the open unit. Replace the water cartridge with the pepper spray cartridge, being careful not to press the discharge button. Close the unit and reinsert screw to prevent access to the canister. Your Guardian Angel Home Defender is now ready to protect you and your family. The Home Defender is intended for use only to deter an intruder posing a threat to you and your family. Before discharging pepper spray, it is recommended that you warn the intruder that they must leave the premises immediately or face harm. After discharging spray, call 911 for assistance. Thanks for watching! Visit gaspray.com for a complete line of personal and home protection products.